Cookbook, which is absolutely tremendous, which I've actually created a playlist for, and it's based on Leon's Happy Curry. The book content is absolutely superb and the visuals are fantastic. Got a really good introduction. It covers the mild, fiery, creamy, speedy, slow sides. The back of it, where the pickles and chutneys and looking at different breads and also salads, is absolutely tremendous. Some really good things like kombucha, which is a mixture of cucumber, tomato and onion condiment to have with your curries. Some of the recipes that I've actually covered: 5 ways to do the cauliflower rice. Change this to whatever recipe. You can also got drinks. Within my playlist I've covered chana masala, chicken meatballs with the coconut curry. Also covered Caribbean style black bean curry. So yes, really do recommend Leon's Happy Curries from the Happy Hungry Hippo. Please check out my channel and also the playlists for all the recipes. Really do hope you subscribe. Enjoy.